Welcome to Samsung's Galaxy Watch Factory. Today, I'll show you vertical integration excellence. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Is the alignment within tolerance?
Yes, all parameters are green. Proceed with the next batch.
All systems operating at peak efficiency. Watch 6 Classic line is exceeding targets.
At Samsung, our vertical integration ensures complete quality control, from the silicon chip to the final Galaxy Watch on your wrist.
Samsung AI optimizes entire vertical integration, from chip yield to final watch quality.
Rất giảm rất tạm thời với các bên hình năng mong sang trước tới gặp các tam trà sầm rối xong cảm cảm
100% X-ray inspection ensures Samsung's vertical integration delivers perfect quality.
Samsung tests every Galaxy Watch to 50 meters. 5 ATM water resistance guaranteed.
This can't be right. The body composition readings are all over the place.
We need to isolate the variable causing this sensor inconsistency. We need to understand this deviation. The sensor calibration might be drifting.
This accuracy is unacceptable for Samsung Wellness. We need a fix, now.
Install enhanced polishing system for bioactive sensor electrodes. Surface roughness verification. Electrode contact.
instrument that is definitely doing is the East Lisbon. That's the link kind on spoken.
We're currently investigating reports of occasional Bluetooth connection drops between some Galaxy Watch models and Samsung phones.
We've successfully optimized the Bluetooth stack and enhanced antenna performance.
The phone-watch integration is seamless.
Complete vertical integration visible.
Every Galaxy Watch entering Samsung test chambers. Heart rate adjustment, heart rate accuracy validation, body composition verification.
It pairs instantly. All your health data syncs automatically.
Wow, that's so easy. I love how they work together. Today, we will focus on the vertical integration assembly of the Galaxy Watch. Pay close attention to the health sensor calibration.
Okay, team, let's review the chip fab yield. We're slightly behind target.
Display production is on track, but assembly needs to catch up.
The chip fab performance is slightly below target.
Let's look at the display yield. That's been a concern. 14 years with Samsung. Vertical integration means we control quality from chip to watch.
The display calibration is failing on line 3. We need a full diagnostic.
I'm my way with the tablet. What's the error code? Code red.
This could halt all Galaxy Watch production.
Perfect. Every component Samsung made. That's our vertical integration advantage. Samsung vertical integration means we control everything. Quality is in our hands completely.
Our proposed optimization, from chip fab to assembly, leverages Samsung's vertical integration for
This represents Samsung vertical integration perfection. Every major component we made ourselves.
The chip's thermal expansion is misaligning with the display.
We see stress points near the upper during assembly.
Comprehensive handover across Samsung facilities. Chip fab status, display production, assembly operations. Vertical integration documentation maintained across all facilities.
Now you know Samsung vertical integration secrets. What impressed you? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Next, Apple Watch Ultra Titanium Secrets. Then, Garmin Outdoor Watch Precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.